Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your PPC campaigns with Google Ads. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the campaign you want to upgrade. Click on the campaign name to access its settings. Check the current performance metrics, including clicks, impressions, and conversion rates. Identify areas for improvement based on this data. Consider adjusting your keywords for better relevance. Add negative keywords to filter out irrelevant traffic. Review your ad copy and ensure it is compelling and aligned with your audience's interests. Use responsive search ads to increase ad variation and relevance. Adjust your bids based on performance. Utilize automated bidding strategies if applicable to optimize for conversions. Set up ad extensions to provide additional information and increase click-through rates. Explore audience targeting options to reach specific demographics. Consider adding remarketing lists to re-engage users who have previously interacted with your brand. Monitor your ad schedule to ensure your ads run at optimal times. Examine geographic performance and adjust targeting based on where your audience is located. Conduct A/B testing on different ad variations to determine what performs best. Make data-driven decisions based on the results of your tests. Regularly review your campaign performance at least once a week. Continue optimizing based on insights gathered from this ongoing analysis. Finally, stay updated with Google Ads' new features and best practices to continuously improve your. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.